Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, or if you're new, I'm Becca, and today I'm going to be showing you around the beautiful AZURA P&O cruise ship. So I went on here back in April. We've got a full vlog of it on our channel as well, so that'll be linked in the description. But today I'm just going to give you a bit of a tour of the boat, a room tour, and then also just talk about the cruise generally. So this was the beautiful promenade deck which looped the whole way around the ship, and then you've also got this amazing theatre which I'll show you more of later. This is Malbar, one of the bars. Sorry, the speed's quite fast for these little clips, but it will slow down. And then there's 3 pools on the ship. So this was one of them with the kids pool. There's also an adults only pool and another kids pool. There's ample sun loungers for everyone as well. They're across like 3 decks, I think. So yeah, there's definitely lots of sun loungers, and there are towels provided there as well, so don't worry about taking your own. There's also this amazing sports deck at the back of the ship and shuffleboard on a couple of the other decks as well. And there's also a laundrette which has an iron and ironing board and washer and dryer too. There's also an amazing salon where I got my hair done. And now we move on to the room tour. So we just had a double room with a partial sea view. It's not completely blocked off. It doesn't have a balcony or anything. It's just one of the cheaper ones. And it had a kettle and it had a fridge as well, which they stocked with some water. And this was our view from the room. It also had a couple of bedside tables and some more storage with the desk and the chair too. And then just going round, you can see the walk-in wardrobe as well. So there were lots of hangers, but you can request more if you need as well. And lots of storage at the top there too, and the life jackets obviously. More storage and a safe, and then this was our ensuite. So it just had a shower, which had shampoo and shower gel, and a little drying rack as well, which pulled out. And then just a toilet and a basin and some more storage. So for dinner, we decided to go to the restaurant every single night. So they have an amazing app which you can book on. Try and book like 15 minutes early maybe, and then you'll be able to get there. And then they've got the menu that you've just seen as well, and we had 3 courses every night. And then that was one of our shows that we went to as well. So we liked going to Manhattan. And this was the lift where you can get around everywhere. And this was one of the formal nights, as you can see from my dress. So we got some champagne as well. And this was an amazing atrium. It's got a Costa downstairs and then loads of shops as well. So like souvenir ones. It also had some like Ralph Lauren clothes, Ted Baker, a jewelry shop with like watches and things like that too. And then this night we decided to go to see The Comedian. They've also got a sports lounge which has like poker and also shows all of the different games as well, so like football or rugby, and you can request things too. And then again, surprise, surprise, we ended up in Manhattan. So this was to see one of the headliners acts, which were amazing. This is a bit of a view of the ship from the outside. So I just wanted to show you this stop in Italy. So this was Trieste, and we absolutely loved it there. So for our cruise, we had 2 sea days, and then all the other days we were at port, which was amazing. You wake up in a new place every single day, which is fantastic. You get to explore without getting bored. So you can take lunch out. They do like pack and go lunches sometimes, or you can eat all your food on the ship. However, we decided to eat out at the different ports just because we thought we might as well, especially since we were in Italy. Definitely had to have the pizza. But I know when I've been on cruises before, we like to go back onto the ship for lunch and then like go back out again. It varies depending on the port and what day it is, what time you are allowed to get off the ship and also back on the ship. So this is now in Croatia. This was in Zadar, I believe. So we stopped off at Split as well, but I don't think I included any of the footage of that, but you can see it if you click on the vlog link in the description. So I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful shots, and also obviously you can just stay on the boat if you want, which I know a lot of people do as well, but we just wanted to go out and explore every day just because we thought we were wasting the opportunity if we didn't. We just went on some walks, although they do have specific like guided tours of different things, so you can find out more information when you're on the boat, or you can book them before. They also did this amazing cocktail for me with my name. It's my favourite cocktail. I think it's called like raspberry creme brulee. So this night they had Marco Pierre White night, so for one of the formal nights, and it's his menu. And I've actually been on cruises with Marco Pierre White on as well as like a special guest, so you might be able to get that sometimes too. And then we watched a show in the theatre that night and it was amazing. And now my favorite place, which is Dubrovnik. It was so good. I think it really helped that the weather was amazing and we got to go on a tour of the ward as well. You can book this kind of thing on the ship, but we just decided to do it ourselves when we were there and just see what we fancied on the day. If you are in Dubrovnik though, you have to go on the wall. Like, it's so worth it. It's incredible. There's like little cafes up there and places to get drinks. So in terms of how you find out information, like I mentioned, there is the app, the P&O cruise app, and that works on the ship Wi-Fi as well. So don't worry about like it not working in the middle of the sea. And also you get like a newsletter every day called The Horizon. So that has like the dress code, what time you can get on and off the ship. It has all the different activities of the day, like whether they have special talks or competitions or anything like that. And also it gives you the dress code for the evening. So I just wanted to end on this beautiful clip here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed. Comment with any questions that you've got, and I really hope you enjoy your cruise if you're thinking of going on one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and follow us on Instagram.